What's up guys? Let's unbox and install our photography lighting kit for video studio lights or professional portable continuous lighting. May another investment na naman tayo to start our vlogging career. Para hindi putyo-putyo ang mga shots natin, mapa-video man or photography. Complete set na siya guys at madali lang i-install. This soft box has a ceramic E27 bulb holder, so ideal for continuous screw fit bulbs. It has a front diffuser that is attached by Velcro. So this unit can be used with or without the diffuser. Oh, galing diba? Meron din siyang on and off switch kaya napakadaling gamitin at bitbitin anywhere and anytime. As you can see guys, hindi na yan yung original light na kasama niya kasi nabasag ko eh. Para sa mga beginner content creator na katulad ko, napakadali nitong ikabit at i-adjust kung hanggang saan yung level na gusto mo.
Wow!
I am really so overwhelmed dahil unti-unti kong naabot at nare-reach yung mga goals ko at mga pangarap ko bilang content creator. At ayan na nga, guys, tignan na natin at pailawin na natin ang ating video photography lighting. Opa, diba? Napakaganda niya guys.
Wow!
Sa mga katulad kong beginner content creator, napakaganda po talaga nito. Kaya i-check out nyo na po kung saan nyo man to napanood na video ko. I-check out nyo na yan, dali! Invest na po kayo para sa sarili. So napakaganda talaga at hindi kayo magsisisi. Go na guys! Check out na! Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video na ito, paki-like, comment at follow niyo po ako. Thank you po! Thanks for watching!